Shims work on combination locks like this because the way that they're shaped inside, what the shim pushes over. However, with locks like master lock padlocks, that is square shaped to prevent shimming. See, it's harder to turn and it could break your shim. So opening padlocks like this requires more shim practice, and you're more likely to break your shim. Since this has two locks, you will need to use both shims, one on each side. There we go. You can get shims like these at lockpicktools.com, and they're made out of spring steel, which is very strong and durable.